Holy fire, holy water, holy money, only money, only money, only money. We are woody fire, woody thunder, only money, only money, only money. Let the mare bless you with body, oh baby, oh. Star boy go bless you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So today I filmed this tutorial following another YouTube guru's tutorial. It's a trend right now. Everyone is doing it. People do it for Nicki, for James Charles, Patrick Star. So many people are doing it, and it's so much fun because we get to be the viewers this time. It may seem easy, but I just realized it's really not as easy. I've literally learned a lot from doing this challenge, and I encourage you guys to do it. Even if you're not going to film for YouTube, even if you don't have a YouTube channel, just try it out and you'll be surprised at how much you learn. I mean, I've watched Nicki do her tutorials like 100 times, but I didn't understand the depth of her technique till I actually tried it step by step. You keep watching and you think you're learning by watching, but I advise you to try doing it, try hands-on, and you'll be surprised how much you learn. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell like button down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and I'll see you guys in the video. I'm really excited about this video, you guys. Like, I can't wait to actually follow someone else's tutorial. You know, I always do this. I do this with Jackie, I do this with Alyssa Ashley, I do this with a lot of makeup artists actually on YouTube, and that's mostly how I even learned how to do my makeup. So let's see. Nikkietutorials is my fave. I'm just going to use whatever I can use to create this look. I don't have most of what she has, so I'm going to improvise.
The first thing I'm going to go in with is Kim Tai's Wonder Lush in collaboration with Ofra. Again, this is a tester form. I've been with her.
I do not have it. I don't. I just don't. So I'm going to be using the NYX Honey Dew Me In instead. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. Girl, you got me high with your loving. Superman need a superwoman. I really hope I can pull this tutorial off, because you know Nicki is levels though. Nicki is really levels. And you know why I'm happy? Because Nicki has cheeks like me. Okay.
Now for foundation, I'm going to go into a new product. This is by LA Girl, and this is called the Pro Coverage HD Longwear Illuminating Foundation. It looks a lot like Makeup Forever. I have the color Porcelain right here, but they also came out with a white one. What? LA Girl, yes, and yes, you are representing us ghosties out there. I love this. I love this. You can lighten any foundation.
Is this how you guys feel when we talk too much? I know I do this so much, but I know I do this a lot. Like, I know I talk, I ramble. In fact, I'm doing it right now, but this is how you guys feel when we're just, you know, talking and talking. You're like, get to it, mother. Nicki went ahead to do her foundation without a primer, but girl, where can I do that in this lifetime? I cannot do that because, you know, my face is a frying pan. But yeah, I'm going to be using the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Perfecting Primer. I finally got a new one, guys. You know what I love about Nicki? The fact that she goes ham when she's doing makeup. She goes full coverage, and that's absolutely what I love. If you're going to do it, you might as well, you know, go all out. And I relate to that so much. She's using the LA foundation, but I don't have that. But I'm going to be using something really full coverage as well. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation, my fave. This is the Huda Beauty foundation in Coffee Bean, and I'm also going to be using the Lock It Tattoo foundation by Kat Von D.
Oh my god, that coverage. Oh my god, LA Girl, I see you. It has a lovely...
This feels like it's so much work, like using a beauty blender. I'm so tired, honestly. I would have been done with a brush right now. But you know what I've noticed? God, this is so full coverage. Oh my god. Yo, it's like clay on my face, man. Even I don't do this much full coverage, like, goddamn. But you know what, I won't even lie, applying with a beauty blender has given me such an even finish. I think I might actually start doing that. It's so even.
For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Creams in L1 and L3.
And I also have that. I'm going to be using it in neutral. I think I don't know, I think I'm almost out, so I might have to mix it at some point.
Let's see.
And I'm going to set my under eye area to prevent it from...
Calm down! She's already setting her face. Is that how fast we go? Man.
Now I'm going to set my under eye area to prevent it from creasing.
Guys, you know what I think Nikki just did? She baked. And that's something I don't do no more. It just isn't for me. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder in deep.
Alright, now I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Maybelline Better Skin Super Stay Powder in...
I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix powder to do this. Okay, so Nikki has gone ahead to do her brows off of camera and it just appeared directly. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off of camera and I'll be right back, okay? And this was so much hard work because I have to be careful, you know, not to have concealer on everywhere, especially because I set my face already. It just doesn't make sense to do your brows after you set your face, except if you're not using concealer. I've done this before, but being obligated to made it so much harder. So I'm going to be using this concealer. It's really thick as well, so I guess it should work. I'm gonna be applying it all over my eyelid. So I'm going to be setting mine with a little bit of powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier.
I'm now going to go in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and going in first with the color Shy. And just
into the inner crease and all the way out.
I'm going to go ahead and mix that with the orange color because it has more depth on her skin tone than it has on mine. It's just looking pink. This is why you have to be careful who you watch before buying products because it looks different on different people. Like she's using a bland pink and it's just, you know, applying as a transition color. I've never actually reached out for pink to use as a transition color if I'm not doing a purple smoky eye.
Now using the color Bossy, I'm going to deepen and intensify that.
For that color Bossy, I'm going to be using Beaten by Makeup Geek to deepen and intensify. God, this is so hard because she's like so fast with it. So I'm going in with Americano as well by Makeup Geek, just so it has that, you know, warm depth that Nikki has.
We're gonna...
Nikki, pause though. It looks, you know what? She's applying stuff, but it looks like there's more to it than what is like showing on camera because it just went too deep all of a sudden from, you know, what we were following too deep. I feel like I'm messing this up. I really do feel like that. It looks like Nikki went ahead to highlight her brow bone, but she did not show that on camera. So I went ahead to do the same and I used the Morphe 35O palette.
Cut the crease. We're going to cut the lid by using Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC. And with this, I'm
just going to be using the same MAC Pro Longwear as well. I'm using the NW40 and 45 mixed together. I usually use an angled brush to do this cut crease, but today I decided to use this flat brush, like something similar that Nikki used, and it's actually so much more easier. So much easier.
And I'm going to set that all using Angelic.
I'm going to be going in with this Sleek Sunset palette and I'm going to be using this color from it just on the lid as well.
Bossy and Man Eater.
So she goes back in to smoke it out with a bit of red. I hope I haven't messed this up totally.
Alright, now I'm going to create a wing using my Tom Ford eye defining pen in Deeper.
She starts with the wing. I don't usually like starting with the wing, but let's do it the Nikkie way.
And filling in using my favorite MAC Liquid Last liner in black.
Ain't nobody got time to be filling in with a different like liner and be drawing. I'm just going to use the same. Only Nikkie makes me nervous to do my eyeliner.
Now from that wing, I'm going to swoop one clean line into the cut crease.
You see, this is why I love Nikkie. Because she's not regular.
I'm not regular.
Where'd you see this done? Anyway, God, Nikkie has given me work today. Like, so I went ahead to smoke out the eyeliner we put up there. My camera died.
For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with Bossy and just smoking up that outer lower lash line.
And I'm using the same Makeup Geek colors I used on my eyelid.
Going into this beautiful Morphe highlighting palette and taking the two pink shades to highlight my inner corner.
I'm going to be using the Makeup Geek pigment in Illusion for this.
Alright, all we need now to finish off our lashes, and I'm going to go in with the Andddd Snobby lashes.
And for me, I'm going to be using the Berry lashes in Arita. So while I'm waiting for my other lash to dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara to my bottom lashes. Guys, I really don't like this technique of doing like dramatic eyes before foundation, because I feel like my foundation already looks stale before I'm even done with my makeup. I'm just going in with some translucent powder again, just to freshen up my face.
Okay, so now we're gonna go over to contouring.
So now Nikkie goes ahead to contour. You know what I've noticed about Nikkie's technique? She does it however she likes. She can contour now, come back to lashes, go back and highlight, go back to, in fact, foundation. She doesn't do it like in order like we're used to. She does it anyhow she feels like. So now I'm just now going to contour. I'm contouring with my CoverGirl bronzer and Milani baked powder.
It's Thanksgiving, we will be eating, so we want to carve those cheeks out to look nothing too crazy, because the eyes are like pretty intense, but you definitely do want a hint of that niceness. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with the darkest one first to put the foundation down.
Nikkie is using a pink highlight. I repeat, Nikkie is using a pink highlight. So I'm going to be using this Forever 21 Wax and Wing pigment.
Put to ground it. Yes. So
she doesn't highlight the rest of her face. She only highlighted her cheeks. But I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face, because we didn't come this far to look basic. But you know what? This pink highlight thing is actually not so bad. And the fact that I'm using duochrome, so it appears, you know, pink in some light and it appears purple in another light. And Jesus Christ, Nikkie. I'm going to come closer so you guys can see. Oh God.
So as the base, I'm going to go in with a beautiful nude. This is by Maybelline, and this is
I don't have such a lip color that totally mutes out my lip color, so I'm going to be using concealer. I'm going to be setting it just lightly.
And then over top, I'm going to go in with a product that has fascinated me for the...
I don't have that, so I'm going to be mixing two colors, Set List and VIP by Makeup Geek. They have this foiled lip glosses I like. So I'm going to finish it up with some Fenty lip gloss just so it looks as glossy. So I just got done. I don't know, what do you guys think? Did I nail it? Did I try? I actually love it. Like, I look so dolly. Hi. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the bell like button down below, and yeah, follow me on my social media accounts. Check out my last videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.